Good morning. I had my morning breakfast, and now I am thinking of giving some breakfast to the birds also. Crows, small sparrows, I even give water to them because at this dry season the availability of water is really very less for the birds or the small animals. So these are the small pieces of roti that my mother has prepared, and I am going to crumble it so that the small birds they can have it. Let me keep some of the crumbles of bread over here because at the rooftop the birds will be able to find it. Pieces of this breakfast on this place because here also birds and small animals will be able to find. I need a proper place to feed because at the roof actually it is not possible for me to reach. I just have to throw. So these are some of the water containers that I give water to the birds. Some containers already contain some water. I'll just fill them up because the water is actually required by all living organisms. Without water, we cannot survive. Living organism cannot survive. I keep these water container at places where the birds be able to find them, like these roots area of plants and trees. Let me keep some cups over here. Birds will be able to find it. One cup over here. This is our well, tube well, not a deep tube well, but I am keeping one cup over here, 1 cup of water over here, because this place, this area, maybe the bird can perch either of these branches and they can sip from this cup.